Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful bouncy animation inside After Effects. You can bounce anything, text, icon, or anything. So this is the easiest way. Let me delete this icon and adding again. So this is my football icon and I'm just downloading, save it from internet. It's a free to use. Let me adjust the scale and adding the keyframe in the first. Let me show you the position, adding the position keyframe. And now I'm going to bounce it from bottom to top. Let me adjust these keyframe as you can see. So this is my keyframe. So now we are using this bounce R preset. This is actually a free. You can use it. So now you can select anything. If you have multiple key, you can select it. And if you have one like position, scale, rotation, I'm just selecting the selected. So this work on anything. And as you can see, it's not good. Let me adjust the keyframes. So as you can see, this is the beautiful animation. You can use it, this preset, and you can adjust the setting. I'm just adding the 30. So it's cool and it's amazing. And now I'm just showing you the scale bounce. So let me adding the icon of this football and adding the scale keyframe at the end and at the start of 0. Adjusting the keyframe and now select it and select the scale. You can select the selected. And as you can see, this is actually really easy. You can use this plugin. You can download this plugin from from Google. It's free. And after adjusting the keyframe, as you can see, this is already beautiful. Now I'm going to show you the text. So let me adding the text bounce, and let me adjust my text keyframe, adjusting from 0 to 75. And now I'm adding the both keyframe, like the rotation as well. I'm adding the beautiful text. So now select it all, go to the bounce, and now it's time. Just play. And now look at that. Now I'm going to select it because I select both keyframe, the position and scale. As you can see, they created the expression here. So this is a really powerful and beautiful plugin. You can use it. And now let me show you. As you can see, this is really beautiful, like the scale and the rotation, and it's really easy. So let me adjust the position and everything, as you can see. So this is actually a really easy. You can create with this plugin. I'm just removing the rotation. This is really easy to make the bouncy effect inside After Effects with this bounce R plugin. Hope you like this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel for more amazing content.